hero must be a half-breed, half white and half Indian, preferably from a horse culture. He should often weep alone.
Came to fulfill prophecy, even though these busters keep jocking me. I'ma keep going till young blue is free, and I'ma keep flowing till they murder me. We've been killed and ignored, redemption is a reward, a victory earned in war. But they forget we even exist for sure, practically extinct, but wait, there's more. 1492 we got murdered and abused. Didn't realize until they introduced the plague and the flu. It hurts but it's the truth, so what's new? Comanche native, you ain't never gonna make it, that's what they used to say, kid. But ever since we got word from 50 Cent, the game's become basic. He's mad at me cause he ain't shit. I'm too legit to quit while he's gotta fake it. Too scared to battle on the mic cause he knows I'ma rape it. Homie, I'ma tell you one more time, you ain't shit, and I'm all that and a bag of grits. Watch what you say when you spit, don't make me make you regret it, cause you ain't scaring shit. Oh, you wanna put out a hit? You better get a refund trick, cause I ain't dead, I'm in your basement with my face painted red. Faggot, remember what you said when you thought I was a soft pussy with no friends. You guessed wrong, now it's on till the break of dawn. I'm like King Kong, count stacks till they all gone. Reppin' Adidas all day long, fuck Sean John. You wanna mess with A-Train so long, lyrically I'll fuck you with no condom on.